I used to buy Kelewele spice mix from the African market or Afro shop, and now I make mine at home after discovering the best spices to put together for a perfect Kelewele spice mix. On the 25th of December last year, I made a Kelewele spice mix for an in-law in Switzerland as a Christmas gift. I was waiting for her review on it before I make a full video. I had mine and I know how perfect it was, but as the saying goes, in chinen kan fennel. So I had to wait for her review before making this particular video. Funny enough, she called me just last week for the recipe of this Kelewele spice mix. At that moment, I knew, girl, it went really well. Of course, if not, she wouldn't have asked for the recipe, right? So I had to give her the recipe and also make one for the channel and for you as well. A very warm welcome to today's video. I'm Yummy Cash. For the list of ingredients I used, I will be leaving it down in the description and also on the screen as we go ahead with the preparation. On this leaflet, I have some garlic powder, some cloves, onion granules, some grains of psyllium, white pepper powder, black pepper powder, some fennel seeds. If you want to make it in large batch, double the quantity stated in the description. Then some dried pepper, or you can use meswaba. Next is some anise seeds. Then we go in with some seasoning powder, some salt to taste. And now these are the ingredients that are needed for that tasty, perfect Kelewele spice mix. Los gates. To begin with, we need to toast or oven bake some of the spices. Let me take this opportunity to thank you so very much for clicking on this video and also for subscribing. And if you are not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave it down in the comment section. Now with the cinnamon sticks, you don't have to add if you don't want it, but trust me, it is very good and healthy. I also add the fennel seeds and the anise seeds. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 5 minutes. And in between that 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and grind the powdered spices together. So with this spice, you can use it to steam your meat, your chicken, and for your stews and soups. It tastes so good. The aroma is just so nice. I just love it. Soon I'll be hitting the market with this spice, Yummy Kelewele spice mix. When I'm done with the blending, I pour it aside and then go ahead and blend the other ingredients. And now time to acknowledge our returning subscribers. Thank you so very much for always stopping by. With the ones that I roasted, I sieved it because it didn't blend so well, and the leftover I used it to steam my meat and the outcome was just perfect. That is why I said it earlier on that you can use it to steam your meat, your poultry, etc, etc. That is where we draw the curtains. Use this and thank me later. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Always remember to do everything in love. Cheers.